Are you looking for a more convenient way to organize your spices? I'm Kayla with WTI, and I have found the perfect solution. This amazing magnetic stovetop shelf from JOOKKI has made accessing my spices so much easier. This magnetic shelf is made of a high quality, durable, and heat resistant silicone. And it's magnetic, so it stays in place. Don't worry if your stove isn't magnetic. It does come with some magnetic pieces that you can attach to your stovetop so that it stays in place too. I really love that it is silicone too. So it is flexible, but it's protective. It's also super easy to wash, whether by hand or in the dishwasher, because let's be honest, it's going to get dirty. I was extremely impressed at how strong the magnets were and the quality of the silicone. It has a nice raised edge around the outside and a textured area that my spices are stored in, so nothing is slipping around, and I'm confident it's going to keep my spices in place. The only limit with the height would be is if you have something above your stove like I do with my microwave, but honestly, the distance between my microwave and stove is perfect to fit all those commonly used spices. This is the perfect storage solution to utilize that empty space right above the stove. I would definitely recommend checking out this silicone stovetop shelf. It is the ultimate storage solution for your kitchen. But that's just my point of view.